How is the jumping team doing this year?
Justin, he got like a PR of like 72 feet. Like,
Have him do all the time.
That's just what I do. You know, when we come out here, we win.
Yeah, they leave pretty far.
We sweep. That's just how we do.
Alec, Ultimate 1600 runner. What do you have to say about trying the high jump today?
I didn't do very good.
What about tomorrow when you run the 1600? How well are you gonna do?
It's probably going to be cold and rainy, so not very well.
That isn't optimistic.
Yes, thank you.
Oh, and also we throw far.
Yeah, we throw far too. I did discus. I threw like 3 football fields. That's how we do.
I'm here with superstar Duncan Davis Hall, about to run the 32. Do you have any words you want to say?
No.
So how's it like timing the team?
Timing the team. It's hard to keep track. We're all just so fast out here, you know?
What are you timing right now?
Right now I'm timing the boys and girls 3200. We're over at Ingersoll, so...
How often do you run that?
Do you really want the answer to that question? I run the 32 about 20 times a week. You know, I try to get in about 50 miles a day, so hold on, I gotta time these guys. Duncan's coming in. First place right here. Check this out. Boom. 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 It's hard work right there.
So I'm here with Vivek, Master 800 runner. How do you think the distance team is doing this year?
We're doing great. I mean, I hope we can break the record for number of guys under 5 minutes in the mile, but really good so far this year. I mean, we lost a lot of good runners last year, so you know, if you look at that, we're doing great.
Here with Aviva Browning, 1600 runner extraordinaire. What's your record in 1600?
348. It's a world record. Excited for the Olympics.
Truly, you hold the team on your shoulders.
My dad is a